Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening the Map GPS app and granting location and background access so the signal stays live. Enter a precise destination, an address, place name, or coordinates, because fuzzy targets slow routing. Then choose your travel mode. For example, driving versus walking will change the route significantly. Once done, tap Route or Directions to generate the single recommended path. Make sure your mobile data, or offline map tiles, are available before you move. You tap Start to begin navigation and rely on turn-by-turn voice prompts while you glance at the moving map for context. If you need changes, use on-screen options to avoid tolls, add stops, or select an alternate route. These tools refine the single chosen plan without restarting. Watch ETA and remaining distance so you can adjust timing. Once traffic updates appear, accept a suggested reroute or continue on the original path, depending on how much delay you tolerate. You end navigation by tapping Stop when you arrive and save the route or location for future use, so you don't recreate it. If the GPS signal drops mid-trip, toggle location off and on, or briefly enable airplane mode to reset radio connections. Switching to another navigation app can confirm device versus app issues. For persistent errors, make sure offline map data is downloaded, update the app, and restart your device. That sequence fixes most faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.